Hello! Today Queen will show you how to create a 3D animation, just like this one.
In a happy village called Sunny Hollow lived a curious child named Lumi.
Today feels like an adventure day.
Lumi loved exploring places full of wonder.
Huh? What's that shiny thing?
It was the most magical egg Lumi had ever seen.
Hello? Don't worry. I'm your friend. My name is Lumi. Should I call you Ember?
Lumi named the dragon Ember.
This is amazing, Ember. You are welcome, Lumi.
Soon, Ember learned how to fly.
We're flying, Ember!
Looking for how to create contents like this? Sit tight because I will take you step by step on how to create it.
This is AI Mastery Tutorial.
Welcome to my channel. This is AI Mastery Tutorial, your one-stop, step-by-step AI tutorials. Please subscribe to join us.
So our step one is to get our story script from ChatGPT, and this is our script. The story is here, and I've already dropped this story on the description section so that you can go there, copy the story and paste it into ChatGPT, and it will recreate it for you, and you will get more things to do using this particular one. So ChatGPT will give you the prompt, give you the scenes, all the scenes. My own was about 20 scenes, but I didn't finish all of them because of the tutorial sake, and including the character description and everything. They are all there in the description box. All right, so let's head over to step 2. So on our step 2, we'll be using lmarena.ai. Yeah, we are using arena.ai to generate the images so that the images will be consistent, and this AI tool is completely free. So first of all, we'll go back to ChatGPT and copy. So we'll copy the character prompts over here. Now this is the character prompt. I highlight it and I copy it. Now go back to LM Arena AI. Now on this LM Arena AI, there's something you have to understand. See this play, they write battle, S battle. If you choose this S battle, it will give you 2 different models that you can choose. They look alike, but you can now choose one, or the other one to choose. You can choose side-by-side model, or you choose direct chat model. Okay, so which one? Let's say compared to. Let's choose this one that is compared to. So on this one now, you can see the models on this particular one. So over here, you can choose the particular model you want to use to generate your image. You can see there are many of them here, including Nano Banana Pro. They are all here. And we'll paste in our prompt here. Come over here and paste your prompt. Then at the end of the prompt, don't forget to add landscape mode. You can write in landscape mode. It's very important to put the landscape mode. You can write in landscape mode 16:9. Then before you send it. If not, if you did not add the landscape mode, it will generate in square, which is 1:1. So since we are using a YouTube, we need to use a landscape mode. So the 2 options are loading now. You wait for them to come out. So you can see our images are ready. So this is the image for Gemini 3.5. This image for Gemini 3.5. Wow, is very beautiful, and it gives us the landscape that we requested. Okay, now let's check the second one coming from imaging. Sorry, this is Gemini 3.5. Yeah, this is our image from Gemini 3.5. Can see how beautiful it is, and it comes out in landscape as we requested. Now the second one here, you can see the second option. This is from Imaging 4.0, and it's still beautiful, but it did not come out in landscape. So what we are using here now, we have to choose option A. By clicking on this, A is better. So you choose on A is better, you accept it. Now they'll be generating it now based on this particular one that we have chosen. And that will take us to our step 3, which is going to Grok AI to animate the image. Over here in Grok AI is an AI tool that helps you to animate any kind of photo and make them talk. So let's take a quick look at the Grok. Look at how the Grok is. These are samples of images that people have already animated. Let's say you touch one of them. Can see these ones, can see how they are very beautiful. So we are going to eliminate our own now like this. So we'll go back and click on imaging right here. You click on all so that it will take you to your gallery session. We pick the image that we want. This was the beginning of our image. Then we'll go back to ChatGPT and pick the prompt of this particular image that is loading. So this is the same one of that place, which we'll need to copy everything that is there. You can see it has a narrator's voice. So we'll copy all of this and paste it in our Grok. We'll come over here to Grok. Then we'll have to click on make image. We'll use custom. Then we'll paste it here. Now that we'll hit generate. So you'll allow it to generate. So the video is ready. Let's hear it.
In a happy village called Sunny Hollow lived a curious child named Lumi.
So we have gotten our first scene. So we'll do the same thing in the second one. Let's bring in the second scene now. With this one, don't forget to download your scene by clicking on this place that's downloaded straight to your phone. So in case you don't know how to use Grok AI, take a look at this particular content. I explain it in detail how Grok AI works. I break it down step by step. So do well to watch this one so that you'll be able to understand everything about Grok AI. Now we'll have to bring in our second prompt. The second prompt has the child waving the children, which is this one. We'll pick the prompt image. Then we'll drop the prompt for this one. So now we have dropped in the prompt. Look at the prompt of the girl. Lumi is walking with a backpack waving the villagers, which is what the image is already showing. And she will tell them today feels like an adventurous day. So her voice, I already have a voice prompt. So her voice prompt is young child voice, cheerful and curious, soft and friendly tone with playful energy, clear pronunciation. So these are what I want to see on this particular scene. Then I hit generate. So the second scene is ready. Let's hear it.
Today feels like an adventure day.
So we are going to do the same thing to all the images that we generated. We're going to eliminate every one of them using Grok AI. To get this character to be consistent all through. So what we need to do after we have generated this video, we'll hit on the download button. Then we'll take it over to our galleries where the video is saved. So now this is it in our gallery where the video is saved. So what you need to do here now, after it plays to the end.
Egg Lumi had ever seen.
So what you need to do here now to get consistent character, you need to screenshot this particular place and crop it. Screenshot or crop it, or if there's any other way you can do it, better you do. Then you now take this particular one back to Grok again. So back to this Grok again, you need to go back and then pick that particular picture that you crop by touching on this image here, photo library. Now look at the photos. This is what we crop that time. So now you bring it back here and then now you drop it here and drop in your prompt. Before that, you click on make video, custom. Then you paste your prompt. This is when the egg was hatching, okay? So you send it can see it now, it's generating. So with this format now, it will help you to have consistent character from beginning to the end whenever you are creating any content at all, be it normal realistic content, cinematic content, or 3D content like this one, whichever. So that's the easiest way to get a consistent character on Grok AI. You can see this here. Now over here, and I can see the image now continue from where it stopped. Okay, can see how it's glowing here. So it continues exactly from where the image stopped. Our next scene, which is scene 7, say baby dragon hatching, blinking eyes. So we need to take this one now back to Grok using that same last photo that we cropped. We can still use the same image that we cropped last to get the next scene. So remove this former one and paste in the new prompt. Then we'll send. See, the next scene is out. The dragon has hatched. You know, it's a baby dragon, it's not yet big. So you see that this is beautiful. So what the next thing you do is to download your image by touching on this particular place. So you do the same thing over and over again. Step 3 is to generate the voiceover, the narrator's voiceover, which I use luvvoice.com. This is luvvoice interface. You log in with your Gmail account, and then over here I choose text to speech. They have text to speech and they have file to speech. So I use the text to speech and I drop in the speech of the narrator over here. So this is the speech of the narrator. So when you are done, you scroll up and then you choose the voice you want to use. For me, I want a male voice, so I touch over there. Then you can learn the voice by touching on it.
Luvvoice is a free online text-to-speech (TTS) tool that turns your text into natural-sounding speech.
So for me, I'm okay with this voice they call guy. You can listen to the lady on Anne.
Luvvoice is a free online text-to-speech.
This is a child. For me, I can use that guy. Let's look at Christopher.
Luvvoice is a free online text-to-speech (TTS).
Okay, let's say I use Christopher. All right. So you touch on Christopher, then you hit generate. So it will generate for you. You can see that.
Hollow lived a curious child named Lumi. Lumi loved exploring.
So once your voice is done, you can see that it did not waste time. You just come out. So you click on this download here, this download button, to download it into your phone or on your system, wherever you are using. So the next one will take us to step 4, which is combining all the clips together using CapCut. So now over here in my CapCut, what I will do is to select new video by clicking on this new video plus sign here. I click on it, then I look for the beginning of the content. If you start from here, you'll be starting from the last part of the content. So to get the beginning, you have to scroll down to find the beginning, which is this one here. This was the beginning. So we pick from here and we select every one of them. So I've selected all the clips that are generated. Now over here, I click add. So when you add, it will bring you to CapCut platform fully. So this is a CapCut platform. Before you continue, don't forget to choose your aspect ratio by scrolling to the end of this screen. You see where the right aspect ratio. So you can decide to use either the landscape or the portrait, but for the tutorial purpose, I'm using the landscape, which is YouTube landscape 16:9. So I touch on it and I accept it. So this is our project now. You can see that project came out about 3 minutes something. So you can see our project from the beginning. So let's play it a little and see.
In a happy village called Sunny Hollow lived a curious child named Lumi.
Today feels like an adventure day.
So this is the program now. So what I want to do, I want to change this narrator's voice that was generated using Grok, because they were not consistent. The voice was not consistent. So what I'll do here now is to mute the ones that have that narrator's voice. touch on it, touch on the speaker, and then you remove the voice. Then you come over here, the right audio, you add your audio, you choose sound. Then over here, you need to choose from your file that music, that audio you just saved. You go to your device, then you look for it. So I believe this is it. Let's test it and know if it's this.
In a happy village called Sunny
So
Hollow
we are sure that this is our voiceover. Then you click plus to add it. So as you come over, you can see now the plus sign is there. Now notice all this gap here. All this gap here is where those places that I break, okay, which helps you to know where the voice is coming up next. So let's play it first.
In a happy village called Sunny Hollow lived a curious child named Lumi. Lumi loved exploring.
So you can see how it is here. So I want to do some adjustments here now. So when you are done with your editing, you hit the export button. Then it will save your content like this to the end. So now I'll leave you to watch the continuation of that content.
They traveled to places only dreams could reach.
Friends forever? Yes, Lumi, forever! I will be back, Lumi!